Hello everyone. We are beginning the course Mechanical Equipment Assembly and Application Technology. In today's era of rapid development in intelligent manufacturing and industrial automation, this subject serves as a crucial bridge between mechanical design and production practice. This course utilizes the Mechanical Equipment Assembly and Control Training Device as its platform. Through hands-on projects like the installation and adjustment of cross-slide guide rails and upper and lower die plates, it cultivates students' practical skills in mechanical precision inspection and automation system debugging. Mastering this technology will help students gain a deep understanding of intelligent control logic in modern production lines and lay a solid foundation for future careers in high-end equipment manufacturing and industrial robotics. In this lesson, we will first get to know the training device used in this course, the Mechanical Equipment Assembly and Control Technology Training Platform. We will introduce the overall structure of the equipment platform, followed by a detailed explanation of the mechanical assembly section and the electrical control section. Through this lesson, I hope everyone can understand the main components of the mechanical and electrical control sections, grasp the function and purpose of each component, and learn basic operation methods of the equipment. First, let's introduce the overall structure of the platform. This platform consists of both electrical control and mechanical assembly components. The primary components include the training platform, power source, such as three-phase AC motors, stepper motors, AC servo motors, etc., mechanical transmission mechanisms, feeding mechanisms, cross-sliding table, turret components, molds, mechanical punching mechanisms, assembly tools, common measuring tools, electrical control modules, and profile computer desks. Next, let's learn the mechanical assembly section. 1. Training platform. The platform is constructed with an iron-based double-layer matte textured spray structure. It features a 40 mm thick, cast iron flat surface. Underneath the platform, there is a storage cabinet with 2 drawers on top for placing components and tools. 2. Feeding mechanism, cross-sliding table. It mainly consists of a ball screw nut pair, linear guide pairs, workbench, spacers, bearings, bearing seats, and end caps. It has an upper and lower layer, both driven by servo motors to achieve reciprocating motion of the work tables. Proximity switches are installed on both the upper and lower tables to enable origin positioning and limit protection. This mechanism enables training on the disassembly and reassembly of ball screws, linear guides, bearings, and bearing seats. It also supports precision detection training on parallelism between the 2 linear guideways, perpendicularity between upper and lower guideways, equal height of both ends of the screw, and parallelism and symmetry between the screw and the guideway. 3. Turret assembly. The turret assembly consists of upper and lower die plates, with 6 stations in total for mounting various molds. It is composed of tapered roller bearings, positioning pins for upper and lower die plates, pin brackets, discharge holes on the lower plate, sprockets, chain, upper and lower die plates, drive shaft, bearing seats, mandrel, and electromagnet, among others. A stepper motor, through chain transmission, drives both the upper and lower die plates to rotate simultaneously, allowing for mold changes. This section supports training on turret transmission assembly and synchronous adjustment of the turret. Lastly, the mechanical punching mechanism. It mainly consists of the press frame, gears, end caps, crankshaft, bearing bushes, support brackets, motor base, bearings, and a load relief belt pulley mechanism. Working in conjunction with the turret assembly and molds, it performs punching and pressing operations on materials. This concludes the main structural overview of the mechanical assembly section. More detailed explanations of mechanical structures will be covered in future lessons. Now, let's learn about the electrical control section together. The electrical control section primarily includes the control cabinet, which houses modules such as the power control module, stepper motor drive module, servo motor drive module, programmable logic controller module, inverter module, and touchscreen module. The power control module is mainly composed of a three-phase main power switch, with leakage and short circuit protection, power control relays, emergency stop button, and rotary switches, enabling overall circuit control and safe operation of the equipment. The programmable controller module adopts Siemens S7-200 Smart 6ES72881ST40AA0. The frequency converter module uses Mitsubishi FR-740.75K, and the touchscreen module adopts a 7-inch full-color Siemens touchscreen. Next, let's take a look at the operation panel of the electrical control section. As shown in the figure, the main power switch operation panel of the electrical control cabinet consists of three parts. 1. Main power switch, with current type leakage protection, used to control the total power supply of the training device. 2. Power indicator, when the working power supply of the device is connected and the main power switch is turned on, all three indicator lights are illuminated. 3. Emergency stop button, when the main power switch is on, pressing the emergency stop button will immediately cut off the output of the three-phase power supply, L1, L2, L3. Below is the main power operation panel of the electrical control system, located on the front of the electrical cabinet. After turning on the main power switch, that is, the three-phase leakage protector, turn the key switch on the panel to the right to activate the total power switch. The red light on the stop button will light up. Press the start button. The green light on the start button lights up and the red light on the stop button goes off. The main power of the equipment is turned on. At this point, press the stop button again. The red light on the stop button turns on, the green light on the start button turns off, and the main power is turned off. When the main power is on, pressing the emergency stop button will instantly cut off the main power. The power operation panel for the electrical control system is also located on the front of the electrical cabinet. When the main power is on, turning on the control system power rotary switch will cause the red indicator for the control system to light up. At this time, the PLC, touchscreen, and control system power are activated. The AC motor, stepper motor, and servo motor rotary switches become operational. Turn on the control system power rotary switch, and then respectively rotate the AC motor, stepper motor, and servo motor rotary switches to the right. When the corresponding red indicator lights for each motor light up, it means that the power supplies for the AC motor inverter, stepper motor driver, and servo motor driver are turned on. Finally, the training bench control panel, located on the training platform, is mainly used to control the operation of the equipment. 1. The start and pause buttons control the start and pause of the program, respectively. 2. The 2D platform control mode rotary switch, rotating to the right sets it to automatic operation mode, and to the left sets it to manual control mode. In manual mode, pressing the X pulse, X minus, Y pulse, and Y minus buttons allows manual control of the 2D platform's movement along the respective axis. 3. When the 2D platform control mode switch is in manual mode, turning on the electromagnetic clutch rotary switch, that is, turning it to the right, disconnects PLC control of the clutch and directly energizes the electromagnetic clutch. The above is an overview of the equipment platform used in this course. Through today's lesson, we've gained a comprehensive understanding of the structure and functions of the device. You need to become familiar with the main components of the mechanical and electrical control parts, understand their functions and roles, and master the basic operation methods of the equipment. This knowledge will lay the foundation for future learning. Finally, please review this lesson and complete the following exercises to deepen your understanding. That's the end of today's lesson. See you in the next class.